About emotions. Emotions are neither good nor bad. They are signals that the brain uses to show that something matters. For example, fear can signal danger and the need for caution. Anxiety can signal uncertainty and the need for clarity. Anger can signal that your boundaries have been crossed. Sadness can signal loss and the need for recovery. Emotion is an informational signal, not an enemy. The task is to understand the emotion rather than fight it. Understanding creates clarity and control. How emotion works. First comes an automatic thought, then comes the emotional reaction. Then your behavior follows the emotion. If you want to change your emotional state, you need to change the thinking behind it. What to do? 1. Identify the emotion. What exactly am I feeling right now? Give the feeling a clear name, such as anxiety, irritation, fatigue, guilt, shame, helplessness. Naming the emotion already lowers its intensity. 2. Clarify the cause. What is this a reaction to? Emotions do not appear out of nowhere. They are reactions to something meaningful. A situation, a thought, an expectation, an internal rule, a fear. Write down, I feel because I think that. 3. Check the interpretation. Is this true? Many emotions come from distorted thinking. Ask yourself, is there evidence for this? Could I be mistaken? What am I not taking into account? What other explanations are possible? This approach often reduces anxiety and anger. 4. Switch to action. You need a simple plan for how to respond. Do not stay in thinking mode. Move into doing mode. Choose a small action, a clear step, something within your control. Emotions prepare the body for action. When there is no action, emotional energy remains inside, and the brain intensifies the feeling in order to push you toward activity. This is why anxiety, anger, guilt, and confusion grow when a person overthinks, ruminates, postpones decisions, waits for the emotion to fade, avoids the situation. Action shifts attention, reduces the inner dialogue, and activates the prefrontal cortex, which is responsible for conscious thinking. This brings you back into a rational state. During action, breathing slows down, stress hormones decrease, a sense of control appears. The body leaves the freeze response. This is biology working, not psychology. Find one small action. Not something big, not something perfect, not a complete solution. Just one step that takes a few minutes. Examples of small actions. Anxiety meaning uncertainty or lack of information. You can ask one clarifying question, collect one fact, make a list of what you can control. Fear meaning possible danger. You can check the real level of threat, prepare a simple plan of what to do if the situation continues. Anger meaning your boundaries were crossed. You can state your boundary calmly in one sentence. Take a short pause if needed. Guilt meaning you did not follow your own rule. You can send one message with an apology. Correct what you can correct right now. Panic. You can make a list of tasks in front of you. Uncertainty. You can gather one fact. Worry. You can open the document and write one simple line. Confusion, meaning the brain needs structure. You can write down 3 possible solutions. Choose one small step. Self-doubt or self-devaluation, meaning distorted thoughts. You can write down 3 facts about what you are doing well. Take one small productive action. Shame, meaning fear of judgment. You can write down what the exact threat is. Separate facts from imagination. Then take action without thinking too much. Examples of turning emotion into action. Anxiety avoid, sitting, thinking, spiraling. Do, write down questions and get one fact. Anger, avoid, boiling inside or shouting. Do, say this does not work for me, let us discuss it. Confusion, avoid, searching for the perfect option. Do, pick one small step and do it. Sadness, avoid, lying with your phone. Do, go outside for 15 minutes or call someone close. Feeling that everything is bad, avoid, analyzing the cause. Do, clean the table, take a shower, or reply to one message. You cannot work through emotions by thinking about them. You can work through emotions only by taking action. Small actions are often the best solution. Emotions also involve the body, so light movement helps. Try walking, stretching, push-ups, sit-ups, or a short workout.